32-year-old woman. I'm working here at Cowgirl Blues as a dyer. Before I come here, I know nothing about the wool. I love working here at Cowgirl Blues. There's a lot of opportunities. And I would like to thank our boss for giving me a lot of opportunities. I know how to twist, how to wind, and I want to learn more about the machine. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Cynthia. I'm working in Cowgirl Blues from 2014. As you see now, I'm
tidying this messy skein.
And I like to work here at Cowgirl Blues. I like my job winding because I'm a chief winder. I like to.
What else do you like, Cynthia? Anything else?
I also like colors in Cowgirl Blues and the scrappy. As you see, we have these scrappy things. We make nice cushions. Yes.
Hi, my name is Zintle. I'm a 30-year-old woman. I'm very much in love with Cowgirl Blues yarn. At first, I didn't know anything about the yarn up until I got a job. And yeah, it is amazing. They're doing phenomenal stuff, and I was only hired here.
You're doing phenomenal stuff.
I'm also doing phenomenal stuff, and I was hired here on the 5th of October 2020.
Phenomenal Woman by Maya Angelou. Pretty women wonder where my secret lies. I'm not cute or built to suit a fashion model's size. But when I start to tell them, they think I'm telling lies. I say, it's in the reach of my arms, the span of my hips, the stride of my step, the curl of my lips. I'm a woman, phenomenally. Phenomenal woman. That's me. I walk into a room just as cool as you please, and to a man, the fellows stand or fall down on their knees. Then they swarm around me, a hive of honeybees. I say, it's the fire in my eyes and the flash of my teeth, the swing in my waist and the joy in my feet. I'm a woman, phenomenally. Phenomenal woman. That's me. Men themselves have wondered what they see in me. They try so much, but they can't touch my inner mystery. When I try to show them, they say they still can't see. I say, it's in the arch of my back, the sun of my smile, the ride of my breasts, the grace of my style. I'm a woman, phenomenally. Phenomenal woman, that's me. Now you understand just why my head's not bowed. I don't shout or jump about, or have to talk real loud. When you see me passing, it ought to make you proud. I say, it's in the click of my heels, the bend of my hair, the palm of my hand, the need for my care, 'cause I'm a woman, phenomenally. Phenomenal woman. That's me.